Welcome back to KP's Kingdom. I'm cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make Maklouta, or a Lebanese mixed legume soup. Very, very easy to do, and the flavour is magic. Alright, let's get on with it. Here I've got one diced onion. Well, we've got all this stuff here. I'll go through it as we put it all into our saucepan, but this is what you're going to need. Alright, a little bit of oil into a saucepan, just like that. Little you can use olive oil if you want, peanut oil, whatever. Right, I've got one large onion finely diced. That's going in. We're going to start frying that off in our saucepan, just like that. Really simple to do. We just want to get a little bit of cookage happening on that. Wait till I go sort of a little bit translucent-ish. Okay, pretty simple, and yeah, pretty basic stuff. Now I've got a large potato, somewhere around about the 300 to 400 gram mark. Again, I've finely diced that. That can go straight in, and we can start frying that off and getting a little bit of colour on that as well. Not really essential to get a lot of colour, but it will give you a little bit more flavour. Alright, and this is a really simple and economical dish to do. Alright, so we're frying those off for a little while, just like that. I'm going to add in just a little bit of stock to start with. We're going to end up using around about 1.5 litres of stock. Now you can use a vegetable stock if you want to keep this 100% vegan. You can use a chicken stock if you wish. Alright, so we're just going to start adding that in a little bit at a time, and trying to keep our heat up a little bit. Alright, this dish is not going to take you very long. Now there is a couple of different ways that you can actually make this particular dish. Alright, we're going to bring that back up to a little bit of heat, just like I'm doing right there. Alright, and the most important thing for this particular dish is to make sure everything is cooked through just nicely. Now here I've got my bean mix. Now I'm using a 400 gram can of dried chickpeas, 400 gram can of kidney beans, 400 gram can of butter beans, and a 400 gram can of brown lentils. Now you can buy all of those dried and soak them. If you don't know how to do that, the instructions are on the back of the pack. This is so much quicker and so much easier to do. Alright, all we have to do now is bring that up to a bit of a simmer, and around about sort of 45 minutes in, I'm going to add in a handful of risoni. You could use burgle, of course burgle, if you want to, but a little bit of risoni, just as easy to do, and that's going to plump up and give us a nice bit of body to our Maklouta. Right, if it didn't seem salty enough, just add a little bit to taste. Alright, I'm not going to give you a quantity on that. You taste it, you tell me how much you need. Alright, this is a pretty simple type of soup to do, but I'll tell you what, very nutritious, very filling, and very easy. So just cook that off until your potato is cooked through. That's the most important part. Everything else is basically cooked, and all we have to do now is serve that up. I want to serve that up with some spring onion ribbons. You can serve that up with some parsley or even some coriander if you wish. Alright, there you go. I've shown you how to make a Maklouta, this beautiful Lebanese mixed legume soup. Anyway, love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Gnome and KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make something from a different cuisine once again, just like this one? Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Maklouta, or my Lebanese legume soup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.